Fun with fractions, converting fractions to decimals. Hello there! Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of numbers. Specifically, we're going to talk about fractions and how to convert them into decimals. This is an essential skill in everyday life and mathematics. It will also help you understand percentages better. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of fractions and decimals. A fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. It consists of a numerator, the number above the line, and a denominator, the number below the line. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. A decimal, on the other hand, is a number that represents a whole number and a fraction of a whole number, separated by a decimal point. For example, in the decimal 0.75, 0 represents the whole number and 0.75 represents the fraction of the whole number. Converting fractions to decimals involves a process called long division. If that sounds a bit complicated, don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step in the next sections. Long division is a way of dividing one number by another. When you're converting a fraction to a decimal, you divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. Let's illustrate this with a fraction. 3/4. First, you'll divide 3 by 4. As you probably already know, 3 is smaller than 4, so it can't be divided evenly. But that's okay, because in long division, we can add decimal points and zeros to the number we're dividing, the dividend, to help us out. So, you can think of it as dividing 3.0 or 3.00 by 4. And this is where we get our decimal answer. Let's go through the process with our example fraction, 3/4. 1. First, set up your long division, placing the numerator inside the division symbol and the denominator outside. 2. Divide the numerator by the denominator. In this case, we're dividing 3 by 4. As 3 is smaller than 4, we add a decimal point and a 0 to make it 3.0. 3. Now divide 30 by 4. This equals 7 with a remainder of 2. 4. Place the 7 above the division symbol at the position of the decimal place. 5. Then add another 0 to the remainder of 2 to get 20. 6. Divide 20 by 4 to get 5. 7. Place the 5 above the division symbol next to the 7. 8. So, 3/4 as a decimal is 0.75. And there you have it. Converting fractions to decimals can be fun and easy when you know how to do long division. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying with different fractions. Once you've mastered this, you'll be able to tackle percentages with confidence. We hope you found this helpful and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy calculating!